This video belongs to Relaxing End channel, so all credits goes to him. Today we are going to unbox world's most powerful gaming laptop, MSI Titan GT77HX RTX 4090 monster gaming laptop. In the box we get MSI guidebook, a lucky kitchen, dual drive USB 3.2 Type-C OTG dongle, MSI gaming mouse, and this big black 329-watt charger, almost a size of Nintendo Switch, and our gaming laptop, which comes with RTX 4090 laptop GPU, Intel Core i9 13th gen processor, and 4TB SSD storage plus 64GB DDR5 RAM. For display we get 17.3-inch 4K mini LED 144Hz HDR display, which is so good because this laptop is for 4K gaming, and it also gives us more than 100 FPS on every single games. Now let's do some gaming, but before that guys, the money this channel makes, we are going to donate, and help poor kids, so I just have a small request to you guys. Subscribe if you don't, and share this video with your family and friends. If you guys help me that much, so I can able to help them. Thank you so much. Valorant, at 4K resolution. Wow, look the FPS meter, it goes above 400, that's insane. And we are playing this game at 4K resolution too.
Defenders win.
Fortnite, we are playing this game at 2K resolution and epic graphic settings, DLSS performance. Let's turn off the DLSS and see what's happened. Guys, did you see the FPS meter? It comes down 100 to 60 FPS. We lose more than 40 FPS for just turn off the DLSS. Resident Evil 4 Remake, 4K resolution and max graphics settings. FSR, performance.
Everything will work out just fine. Predictable.
Leon, changed your mind yet?
Rita?
You're serious.
Call of Duty, Modern Warfare 2, 4K resolution and extreme graphics settings, DLSS performance. Now let's see what's happened when we turn off the DLSS. Wow, there is significant frame drops, so guys, always turn on DLSS while gaming. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.